How much does the Hartford disability pay? The amount. The Hartford disability insurance pays depends on the type of disability insurance you have, short-term or long-term, your policy terms, and your income level before the disability. Disability insurance is designed to replace a portion of your income if you become unable to work due to illness or injury. Below is an overview of how much the Hartford typically pays for disability benefits. 1. Short-term disability insurance, STD. Hartford's short-term disability insurance typically pays a percentage of your weekly salary for a set period, generally between 3 months and 6 months. The amount paid usually ranges from 50% to 70% of your pre-disability income, depending on the policy terms. For example, if you earned $1,000 per week, you could receive $500 to $700 per week from the Hartford short-term disability insurance. 2. Long-term disability insurance, LTD. Long-term disability insurance from the Hartford typically pays 60% to 70% of your pre-disability income after the waiting period, also known as the elimination period, is met. This benefit is designed to continue for a longer duration, from several months to several years, depending on your policy. For example, if you earned $4,000 per month, you could expect to receive $2,400 to $2,800 per month in long-term disability benefits. Third benefit duration. Short-term disability typically lasts for 3 to 6 months and benefits are usually paid on a weekly basis. Long-term disability can last for several years or until retirement age, depending on the policy. Benefits are generally paid on a monthly basis. 5. Income caps and tax implications. While the Hartford's disability insurance typically covers a percentage of your income, there may be income caps, meaning you may not receive the full 60% to 70% if your salary exceeds a certain threshold. Also, if your premiums are paid by your employer and are tax deductible, the benefits you receive may be taxable. If you pay the premiums with after-tax dollars, the benefits are generally tax-free. 5. Additional benefits and riders. The Hartford offers several riders that can be added to a disability insurance policy to increase coverage or provide additional benefits. Cost of living adjustments, COLA, increases the benefit over time to account for inflation. Own occupation. Provides benefits if you are unable to perform the duties of your specific job, even if you can work in another occupation. The Hartford Disability Insurance provides financial support during periods of disability, typically paying a portion of your pre-disability income, 50% to 70%, depending on the policy. The exact amount you receive will depend on your income level, policy terms, and whether the benefits are taxable. To get the most competitive quote on insurance in your area, simply click on the link in the description below.